everyone, and today my project name is VLS implementation of reverse converter via parallel prefix adder for signed integers. And then coming to my project abstraction is, in this abstraction we implemented the residual number system in the base of the hybrid parallel prefix adder, and this parallel prefix adder provides a high speed of the consumption to consume the arithmetic operations in the middle. And not only, this hybrid prefix parallel adder not only consume the arithmetic operations, and it also helpful the hardware complicity in between the two components, because of in hardware complicity we must use a lot of arithmetic operations to reschedule the numbering system in RNS. So that's why the reason it's not only reschedule the arithmetic operations, and also it very helpful for the hardware complicity to reduce the arithmetic operations in the middle. Then coming to the introduction, this residual number system is very compatibility and it's very complicity to all the numbering system, and this RNS is fully designed with the parallel prefix adder. And this RNS consists of the mainly two components, that is forward converter and the reverse converter. The forward converter operations will convert the binary number into modulo number, and the reverse converter operations will convert the modulo number into binary number. And in reverse converter it's took time, a lot of time, and time consumption also is needed, because of it's very hard to convert the modulo number into the binary number. And these fundamental RNS concepts are RNS definition, operations, and forward converter architecture, reverse converter architecture, and modulo set operations. And in these implementations we use VOS, that is voltage over scaling. This VOS is used for the reduce errors. And in this RNS we have a lot of soft errors. To reduce that soft errors, we use the voltage VOS, voltage over scaling. How we reduce the errors with voltage over scaling is to combination the RNS and RPR. With this combination we reduce these soft errors. And this RNS will provide a carry-free addition and also the fully arithmetic operations. So that's why the reason it will be used in the signal digitalization, that means digital signal processing and cryptography. Like that we use this RNS, and this RNS mainly used in the conversion techniques, and it will also suggest the two complements of the digital signal processing and the cryptographies. Then coming to the existing architecture, then our teammate Hasina will discuss about that.
So this is the existing architecture of RNS system, and here it is suitable for implementing high-speed digital signal processing, and also it propagates the modulus to enter into the RNS system. This is the parallel prefix adder architecture, and here parallel prefix adders are derived from the carry loop ahead adders. Parallel prefix adders are a kind of adders that uses parallel prefix operation in order to do efficient additions. And this is the proposed method of RNS system. Here we use mainly three parts, and forward converter, modular circuits, and reverse converter. This is the block diagram of residue number system. As already we discussed, it is the forward converter, and it is modular circuits, and it is reverse converter. Coming to proposed architecture, it is the detailed architecture of a proposed VLSI implementation of a reverse converter for signed integers. Here the left shift resistors and the right shift resistors are used for multiply and divide by two operations respectively. And coming to advantages, the advantages of RNS supports carry-free arithmetic operations and in also decimal number systems, while performing addition carries propagation along with the least significant bit to most significant bit, and RNS increases computational speed and also supports parallel arithmetic operations. And coming to applications, the applications are digital signal processing, cryptography, cloud computing, image processing. And future scope is in RNS system, the soft errors will be possible with the viability of RNS in addition to RPR. And my teammate will conclude this project.
Then what we conclude with the expected result is in RNS we do a lot of multiple operations. Due to this multiple operations, it has a lot of hardware complexity in between us. Due to this, we use RNS. RNS is residual number system. Is a compatible signed integers by making a very minimal changes in the architecture, both in forward and the reverse converters. If we use the RNS in the minimal changes, it will not affect the total reverse converter. It will rectify some particular errors only. It will not affect the total errors, and it will also use it for the affecting theorem employed. And that's it. Thank you.